Hey, this video we will be talking about human cancer and the differences between malignant and benign tumors. So what is cancer? It is an abnormal growth of cells, and it's usually found within the epithelial cells. The cells undergo uncontrolled proliferation, and it could eventually become tumors. There are two types of tumors that can be found within the human body, benign and malignant. Let's start off with benign tumors. Benign tumors are local masses that does not invade other areas. They grow at a slower rate, and the tumor is surrounded by a fibrous capsule. They can be removed, and it is not normally considered to be cancerous. Common benign tumor is lipoma.
Lipoma is the most common soft tissue tumor and is an overgrowth of fat cells that grows just beneath your skin. A typical lipoma starts with a small, round, or oval-shaped lump, and it slowly grows over time until it gets big. They are the most common on the head and neck. Since lipomas are not cancerous, most of them don't need treatment. They are usually removed by surgical incision. Lipoma can be traced back to a genetic abnormality within the HMGA2 gene, as this gene has been rearranged. Lipoma can also occur in mutated chromosomes, specifically the 12q13-15 chromosome, which accounts for 65% of all lipoma cases. The deletion of the 13q chromosome can also cause lipoma, which accounts for 10% of all lipoma cases. Lastly, the rearrangement of the 6p21-32 chromosome accounts for 6% of all lipoma cases.
On the other hand, malignant tumors have fast, uncontrolled growth and do not undergo apoptosis, also known as cell death. What makes them different from benign tumor is the ability to invade and spread to nearby sites. This process is called metastasis, when cancerous cells travel to other parts of the body through a blood vessel or the lymphatic system. One example is breast cancer. Breast cancer is a disease where cells in the breast grow uncontrollably. It is common in women that about 1 in 8 women will develop breast cancer in their lifetime. It can be life-threatening because breast cancer cells can travel into the blood or in particular the lymph system.
As you examine the anatomy of the breast, it is surrounded by a network of lymphatic vessels which contains lymph, a clear fluid that consists of tissue byproducts and most importantly the immune system cells. These immune system cells help us fight harmful substances, bacteria/viruses that enter our body. As these cancer cells enter those lymph vessels, there is a higher chance that it can invade other organs as well.
And this leads to the topic of lymph nodes. The lymphatic system is consisted of lymphatic vessels that contains lymph nodes. This network is found surrounding the breasts and throughout the body. What are lymph nodes and why are they important? Each nodes contain a clear fluid. These fluids contains tissue byproducts and immune cells. These immune cells ward off harmful substances such as bacteria and viruses. Cancer cells that enters the lymphatic system has a higher chance of spreading to the other parts of the body.
There are various similarities and differences between benign and malignant tumors. Both benign and malignant tumors are mostly manifestations from poor environments, and both can be prevented by lifestyle changes such as quitting smoking, eating healthier, and general health checks. The difference between benign and malignant tumors are that malignant tumors can easily spread between organs and other sites of the body, while benign tumors are proliferated cells, which has no ability to spread to other sites and can be treated when it is early onset. The human body is complex, and even with modern medical knowledge and technology, unfortunately, there is no known cure for cancer. However, beginning with our knowledge about benign and malignant tumors, we can get one step closer to understanding a condition that will statistically affect at least half of us in our lifetime. We hope you enjoyed our presentation on benign and malignant tumors. Thank you for watching.